The average person spends nearly 4 hours a day on their phone, with apps accounting for roughly 90% of that time. So why not convert your mindless scrolling into hard cash? We've compiled a list of our top money-making apps, including those that let you earn cash back on online purchases, pay for your ideas, invest your spare change for you, and even pay you to exercise. Yes, truly. Hey guys, this is Clever Money, and on this channel, we love talking about all things money, as well as ways to make money online wisely. Today, we will be talking about 5 different apps that can possibly make you a lot of money this year. But before we begin, please like, subscribe, and ring the bell to be notified when a new video is uploaded. Without further ado, let's begin. What exactly is a money-making app? A money-making app is a program that you can install on your phone, tablet, or even computer to help you earn money in a variety of ways. Some applications pay you a modest charge to keep the app operating in the background or to purchase in specific locations and receive cashback. Others will pay you to complete questionnaires or engage in activities such as exercise. The goal is to provide a modest reward or cashback from your phone, and because we spend so much time on our phones, it might be a practical method to earn money. Money-making applications differ in terms of function, how they assist you in producing money, and price. Some apps require a tiny one-time fee to download, while others demand a little monthly subscription, such as $1. However, the majority of money-making apps are free. Some apps, on the other hand, need purchases in order to save or generate money. When joining up, make sure to read the fine print so you know what to expect, and be realistic. A money-making app will not replace your income, but it can occasionally be a modest complement to using your phone as you typically do. The top 5 money-making apps in this video were picked based on the features and resources they provide, how they assist you in making money, the company's past and reputation, and when and how you are paid, whether in cash, gift cards, or another form. Rakuten is the first app on our list. This app appeals to us because it has no fees, making it simple to sign up, and it is available in over 2,500 retailers. Cashback can also be applied to in-store purchases. Rakuten, previously Ebates, provides an excellent money-making app as well as a terrific browser extension for those on a desktop computer. This application allows you to use in-store coupons, scan things as you go to compare prices, and, probably most importantly, get cashback on select purchases from specific stores. This is how it works. When you download and use the app, you'll receive a certain percentage of cashback when you shop at one of Rakuten's 2,500 plus approved stores. While cashback is often between 1% and 2%, we have received as much as 10%. You'll also get in-store coupons and other benefits. Rakuten even compares discounts for you, so you know you're getting the greatest bargain possible. Another advantage is that after you join up and begin using it, you'll be paid automatically every 3 months as long as you've earned at least $5.01. Rakuten is a household name in the field of money-making apps. Since its inception in 1997, it has returned more than $1 billion in cash to its clients. Shopkick is the second store. You can earn points by visiting partner stores. There are also numerous other ways to get points. It operates over 250,000 retail establishments that give walk-in and barcode scan rewards. If you enjoy shopping and frequently find yourself exploring the aisles at your favorite retail location, Shopkick is an excellent money-making tool. Keep in mind that Shopkick only accepts gift cards. It's simple to make money with Shopkick. You download the app, then do one or more of the following. Walk into the store with no purchase required. Yes, it's that simple. Scan barcodes of select products. Again, no purchase required. Purchase items at an eligible store with your Shopkick linked card. Purchase items and submit your receipt. Visit online stores or view online products. No purchase required. Make an online purchase with a Shopkick partner or watch in-app videos. While you are not paid in cash with this app, you do not always have to make a purchase in order to earn, which is a pleasant advantage. Ibotta is the third app on our list. Ibotta is another wonderful cashback app, and you can earn money in 3 ways. Upload your receipt to the app after purchasing qualifying items, link a store loyalty card before you buy to gain access to special discounts, or make purchases at eligible stores using the Ibotta app. You must perform tasks within the app to utilize Ibotta's money-saving tools, which can be a disadvantage depending on how much free time you have. You'll also have to manually upload receipts, and just approximately 400 retailers are eligible. You can, however, have cash put immediately into your Ibotta account, which you can then withdraw. No waiting for checks or navigating cryptocurrency. The following one is Phope. Phope is a money-making tool for aspiring photographers and filmmakers that makes it simple to sell your photographs and videos. Simply install the app and add your photographs and videos to your online portfolio. If your work is acquired by an agency, brand, or another Phope user, you will get compensated. But the earnings will be split 50-50 with Phope. As a result, if Phope sells a photo for $10, you'll profit $5. However, a single photo might sell multiple times, which is a wonderful bonus. You can also submit images to a special project. Phope refers to these as missions, with the potential to be rewarded hundreds of dollars for your photograph. Last but not least, there are Acorns. Acorns requires no minimum deposit to begin using the program and no work to invest. Acorns is a good option if you want to be more invested in your money-making software. Connect your bank account to the robo-investing app. Acorns will round up to the nearest dollar and automatically invest your spare change in a portfolio of EFTs that spread across 7,000 plus stocks and bonds with every transaction. Acorns also offers recurring investments, which allow you to invest a few dollars each day and see your portfolio develop. Acorns even has a list of found money partners, over 350 in total, that allow customers to invest a percentage of their purchase when shopping with prominent brands. Acorns charges a $1 monthly fee, so keep that in mind when calculating your earnings. However, you will receive a diversified portfolio, automatic rebalancing, investment support from Acorns support team, and mobile access to all of your accounts as part of the package. If you truly like Acorns, you can also test the company's other products, such as Acorns Later, an IRA, and Acorns Spend, a bank account, and a debit card. So, that's it for today, everyone! If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and let us know what you think in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching! Until next time!